We're at IBC 2023 and we're looking for interesting things, and this is what we found at the Laowa booth. LensVid coverage of IBC 2023 is brought to you by Ulanzi Video Accessories, Small Rig, Big Dreams, Jiyun, Make It Real, and Godox, Embrace Creative Possibilities. Hi, we're at IBC 2023 and we're at the Laowa booth and we're talking to Annie. Hello, Annie.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. And you have quite a few new products here. So we're looking at the first one. This is the Pro2be.
Yes.
And this is, I think, the periscope version of the lens. You have 3 of them.
Yeah.
So what can you tell us about this? What's new about this new product?
This new Pro2be is basically a C8 aperture and with much sharper image quality as well as color rendition, which is every cinematographer's desired. And you can see we have a longer tube here, so you have a longer working distance while it can focus up to 4 millimeter. So it's you can focus really close and you can produce 2 times magnification as well. So you can just, with a little light, then you can have a very cinematic miniature that can be created. So we're trying to keep our setup lightweight and neat, and that's why it can automatically produce image by itself.
I understand that you can change the angle of the periscope lens.
Yes.
But for doing this, you actually need to
rotate the blue ring here.
Ah, okay.
So by unscrew it, then you can rotate the angle and adjust it. Yeah.
Okay, and you need some tools to open it.
Yeah.
Why didn't you make a version which is similar to a tilt shift lens, where you have like a small screw that you just turn, open it, twist it, and then lock it back in?
I know what you mean, because of this version, it's not supposed to be rotated while filming.
Ah, okay.
Because when it moves, it will have a large area that it's touched.
Okay.
That's why it's advised to just adjust the angle and then have that
and
angle.
Then lock it.
Yeah, lock it down.
I see.
And then shoot as it is.
Yeah.
And then while if you want to shoot something on the top, then you just adjust it and rotate it to the top and then view another round. Instead of like rotating and then keep filming, and it will be a mess.
So this is the periscope version. You have a 35 degree angle version. You have it somewhere around here? Or?
It's not here right now,
okay.
But it's a tilt angle macro lens.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you also have a straight version.
Yes.
So so you have different options.
Mm-hmm.
Question, why didn't you, I think in the second version you had like removable, you can change the end of the lens. Here you didn't go for this. You decided to produce 3 different lenses. Why?
That's a very good question. So at the beginning, we are thinking to make it modular, but then we are considering the needs of the rental house or some production needs, that they would like to have 3 different sets of lens. Okay. So they can, when one party take out the periscope view, then 2 lenses can still be used instead of just having the module itself.
I see. So it's primarily designed, it makes sense because this is such a niche lens, so not a lot of people are actually buying it, but a lot of people are renting it.
Yes.
So it makes sense that you will do it this way, I understand.
And the thing is, maybe you just need 1 view for your production. Like you would go for the direct view, as always. You're not touching another views, then there's no need to rent a whole set.
Yeah.
So with the whole individual lenses, you
choose what you want and use what you want, and that's
exactly.
it.
And more cost efficient. Yeah.
Now, talking about cost, these are slightly more expensive than the previous ones.
Yes.
This is, I think, between $2,800 to $3,000 and something dollars, right?
Yeah.
Per lens.
Yeah.
And if you buy them as a kit, it's around
like 8,500.
Yeah. I see. Okay. And they're available right now?
Yes, of course. You can order on our website or among our distributor.
Yeah. We'll see you in the next video.